and today I am going to solve an Excel assignment, Excel 5G sports program in its project description. In this project, you will create a worksheet for Sandy Chase, Assistant Director of Athletics, with the data that has been sorted, filtered, and grouped that analyze sports program at Laurel College. That is our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or any other subject. If you need help in Pearson course, Engage course, or Canvas course, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments or assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Now we will move to our first step. Our first step is open the Excel worksheet student Excel 5G sports program. I have already opened this file. That is our file student Excel 5G sports program. We will move to our second step. Our second step is display the Valley Park West worksheet. So we will go to the Valley Park West worksheet. That is our Valley Park West worksheet. Select the range A1 to J40. Insert a table. We need to select A1 to J40. J40 and go to the insert tab. Table with the header. Here it's given. Insert a table, then display the table gallery. So we need to insert a table. And we inserted a table. Then display the table style gallery. We need to display the table style. In the third row, apply the fourth style. Third row, fourth style. That is the table style gallery. Third row, fourth style. That is our table design, table style. That's our second step. Our third step is sort the table on the campus column using the custom list in the following order: Valley, Park, and West. So we will go to the column campus column. That is our campus column. We need to use a custom filter. Here we will go to the filter, data tab, and then filter. We need to apply custom filter advanced. What is saying? Sort the table on the custom campus column using a custom list in the following order. We need to sort. We will select sort. We will select the column, our campus column, and we will select the custom list. And in this, we need to put our list. We will copy this Valley Park up to West. We will copy this and paste it here, and add this one and apply this one as a OK and press OK. So it's now filtered sorted as our custom list. Add a second level of sort by sports group and third level of sort by program name, both in ascending order. So we will apply first apply second level of sort sports group. We will add level sports group and third level. What is the third level? Program name both in ascending order. So that is in ascending order. We will press OK. So it's now applied. That's our third step. Our fourth step is display the sports season comparison worksheet. Sports season comparison worksheet. That is our sports season comparison worksheet. Copy the range A1 to G7, A6 to G7. We will copy A6 to. We need to copy A6 to G7. We will copy, and where we need to paste the selection in the cell A1. Here paste it as a cell A1. We will press Ctrl V. We have pasted our copied material. Then paste the selection in, change the title in the cell A1 as a criteria. So we will copy, and in the cell A1 change it as a criteria. Paste it criteria. Press enter, and then select the A2 to G3 and name the range as a criteria. So we will select A2 to G3, that is our cell A2 to G3. We will rename as a criteria. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is copy the range A1 to G2. We need to copy A1 to G2. That is our selected range. We will copy this and paste the copied range to A36. We need to paste it in the cell A36. That is our cell A36. We have pasted this one. Change the title in the cell A36 to fall summer of sports season. We will change our heading to the fall summer 36. This is our title. We have pasted this. And then select the range A37 to G37 and name the selected range as a extract. We will copy this. We need to select A37 to G37. That is our cell A37 to G37. We will give him a range name as a extract. Press enter. That's our fifth step. Select the range. Our sixth step is select the range A7 to G36 and then name as a database. We need to select A7 to G34. A7 to G34. That is our cell A7 to G34 and make the range name as a database and press enter. So that's our database. That's our sixth step. We have total 12 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.